This place was originally a workshop for the German-owned Anatolian Railway Company, where they repaired European-built locomotives and rolling stock. It's got quite a bit bigger since then. This place is enormous.
Yes, it's huge.
From a little workshop to this.
Yes, 500,000 square meters.
How often would you bring a train back in to be maintained like this? Every few years?
Yeah, every 4 years.
Every 4 years?
Yes.
The depot was rebuilt in the 1950s when Turkey started producing her own steam locomotives. Now they're building diesel engines, rolling stock, high-speed electric trains, and even pioneering new technology. This hybrid now is your latest one, your pride and joy.
Yes, it is 100% designed by our engineers. It has two energy. The batteries, lithium batteries, the latest technology, and also diesel genset.
You see, most people don't think of Turkey as a country that builds modern railway trains.
Yeah.
You know, how many do you build now?
More than 150 diesel engines, about 1,000 freight wagons, and 500 traction motors.
That's amazing.
There is no one in the world like this.
The factory now exports trains all over the world. It's an amazing success story. Everybody here seems really happy.
Yeah.
They're like a gang.
Yes, because it is huge and it feels powerful.